What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to create an animated text with this retro effect on Canva. Simple, easy and fast. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your Canva and find the design into the size that you need, okay? After, review the left sidebar of menus, go to Elements and type Sunburst, just like this, and go to Videos. I like this one right here, okay? Rotate the video, just like this. Increase the size to make the video complete all the possible size of the design. Now, go to Text into the left sidebar of menus, next to Elements. Scroll down until you find Apps and go to Motion Test. Scroll down, you're going to be able to find some nice ones. My favorite one is this. You can type your text right here. You can change the color. Let me use this color right here to make it more equal. And in fonts, I like this font right here. The Titanium Web. You can change the options. In the case that you want, I'm just gonna add to design, but you are free to customize the font in the way that you need. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to introduce the option and the animated text to your design. Here is the result. We can make it bigger, just like this. And of course, you can download this into the format that you need into the upper right corner of your screen, share button. And here is the final result. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.